Here at the Northwest University, students don't leave with just a qualification. They also leave with good memories and life-changing student life experience. This is thanks to our staff and many donors and partners who have helped them become greater. With the partnerships and financial support, the Northwest University is ready to assist many students soar above the rest and become more. The contributions have helped the university remain committed to its proud record of producing thousands of fresh graduates every year who are responsible and engaged citizens with valuable knowledge and skills. The Northwest University has managed to help many students soar and exceed their own expectations. The financial support has given many students the opportunity they have always dreamed of. Our students are greater today than they were yesterday.
Ek is Clarissa Pieterse, ek is van George in die Weskaap. Die NWE het my gehelp, sosiaal het ek baie vriende ontmoet, ek het meer kennisse gemaak. Ek was meer introvert en het bietjie meer gemakkeliker geraak. Akademies gewys het ek my volle potensiaal bereik. Soos ek het gedink ek sal nie op universiteit vlak kan oorleef nie, maar verbasend het ek. Die donasie het my gehelp om eerstens my studies te voltooi en vorentoe help dit my om terug te ploeg in die gemeenskap om kinders te leer om weer te werk aan hulle toekoms. So die donasie het my baie gehelp en dit help baie. My groter droom is om my nagraadse studie in onderwys reg voort te sit. Ek wil in daardie rigting gaan omdat ek voel die grootste verandering in onderwys kan daar plaasvind. Soos as die regstelsel reg is, dan sal die kurrikulum verbeter word en dan kan beter onderwys ook gegee word.
If I have to talk about the importance of bursary to education students, I have to say that we need teachers of quality in this country, and it is a huge privilege for us to be able to get donations and money to be able to support students to become the quality teachers that we need to train to go back into diverse communities and uplift communities across the spectrum. In the end it is about social justice, and I want to reiterate the words of Nelson Mandela, who said that education is the only thing that can change this country. It is important for donors to support the institution and specifically also our faculty. One needs to realize that not all students who are accepted to come and study at the Northwest University necessarily get funding from the National Financial Scheme for Students, or commonly known as NSFAS. There are students who really battle to come and study and whose parents find it difficult to make ends meet. If you want to refer to them, I suppose the term is to refer to the missing middle. So these students are in dire need of financial support to be able to continue their studies, which often take 3 to 4 years to do so. Especially in this time where we tend to be swamped with news of people out in enriching themselves and not plowing back into society and into communities, the philanthropic gesture to invest in the future of this country, which we do if we invest in teachers, is of great importance. What we're trying to do is to support as many deserving students as we can. You can only cut your coats according to your cloth. So if we can have more money to support more students, not only in paying for their studies, but supporting them, to make a living every day, get food, pay for accommodation, pay for their books, in an online environment, have data, have devices to work from. So those kind of things are really important to us. One should also remember that eventually, if a student finishes an undergraduate program, which takes a couple of years, that might just put the student in a position to come back for a postgraduate qualification. And what we're aiming for at the Faculty of Education is to really deliver students of high quality, so that can bring about the change that we're looking for in communities, but also then in society at large.
The NWU is passionately committed to the growth and development in South Africa, the continent, and globally. With the help of our partners and donors, many students have an opportunity to explore a university renowned for quality teaching, a unique student experience, coupled with research-driven dynamic geared towards bringing them a brighter future. The NWU is a place where students are encouraged not to be afraid of taking giant leaps. We appeal to you to join and continue in building them a better future together. Let us work together to make a speedy impact in the world.